Now we are going to embroider the wings. First, embroider a short line to the first dotted line. Embroider another long line to the second dotted line. Repeat embroidering a short line and a long line. Fill in the upper part of the wings in the same way. Embroider a line from the middle of the first dotted line, the lower edge of the short line, to the third dotted line. Embroider a line from the second dotted line, the lower edge of the long line, to the bottom of the wing. Repeat embroidering 2 lines, one slightly above and one slightly below. Fill in the lower part of the wings in the same way. Then fill in the gap on the lower part of the wing. Then fill in the other wing in the same way.